If you are experiencing random high ping, network lag, or stuttering while gaming on Windows 10, don't worry. This is usually caused by a hidden background feature called delivery optimization, and we are going to disable it step by step. First, we need to turn off the main peer-to-peer sharing feature that turns your PC into a public upload server. Click on your Windows Start menu and open Settings. Click on Update and Security. On the left side menu, click on Delivery Optimization. At the top of this window, you will see a toggle switch called Allow Downloads from Other PCs. Click the switch to turn it completely off. This immediately blocks Windows from uploading update files to random strangers on the internet. Now, close the window and check if your lag is fixed. If you are still experiencing network spikes, the second step is to set a hard bandwidth limit, because background services like Xbox Game Pass can sometimes bypass the main switch. Go back to the Delivery Optimization Settings page. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced Options. Under Download Settings, check the box that says Limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background. Type 0.1 in the box. This creates a hard restriction so Windows can never choke your connection while you are gaming. Finally, we need to clear the temporary update cache files that are already stuck on your drive. Open your Windows Start menu. Type Disk Cleanup and open the application. Select your local disk C and click OK. In the list of files, check the box next to Delivery Optimization Files. Uncheck everything else. Click OK and select Delete Files. Now, restart your computer.
If this step-by-step guide helped you lower your ping and fix your network lag, please leave a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. See you in the next one.